Greetings from SDM Ayurveda, an interactive online series. So I am in front of you here to describe a few of the things or give some information to you. Our beloved principal sir has approached us and directed us to start with this particular interactive series on August 12th of this year. And August 14th, we had an interaction with all the three principals of SDM Bangalore, Hassan as well as Udupi. And we started this particular work of SDM Ayurveda, an interactive online series. So after this, myself and Dr. Sharath as well as Vasant and Ravi Sharma, we have extensively worked for around 10 days to set up the studio in our academic wing. So the total setup was done on August 28th of this year. And then at 29th, we started with the first session recording with Dr. Prakash Hegde sir. So it was a very good experience for us and we learnt a lot of things. So when it moved on till now, as of today's date, we have finished nearly around 27 recordings of the staff, and the total work that we have done is more than 300 hours. Including video shoot as well as editing, we have done nearly more than 300 hours of work on this particular, whatever the work that is given to us of this SDM Ayurveda. So considering all these things, some of the points, some of the important message which I want to send to all the other who are coming next for this particular session, that is you have to have a proper script with you all, and you should at least rehearse 2 to 3 times with your host. The role of the host is very much important because the host will be the one who will be giving the introduction as well as the concluding the session. And the one more important thing is the dress code. So it is better you both of you wear contrast dress code and you priorly decide and wear it. And once again I am instructing that there should not be any kind of shades of green in your dress. It may be light blue to green shade. It should not be there. Please avoid such things in your dresses. Even a single dot should not be there. Even in your ornaments it may be, or else bangles, etc., etc. You should totally avoid green and shades of green. So please do keep this in mind. And especially for the ladies host or the staff, please tie your hair and come, because if you leave it open, it will be very much difficult for us for the editing. It takes lots of time for the editing, because you know that already that Mr. Vasant as well as Mr. Nagarjun, that is second year and first year students, they are extensively involved in shooting the video as well as editing work. So they are day and night they are working for this. So I kindly request your support in this regard and coordination for the same. So when you consider the script and the protocol, then as told earlier in the audio message, again I am telling you, first of all, host will be taking up the particular talk. The host will be welcoming viewers as well as the guest. So for that we have framed a particular pattern. Like host will be telling in the following manner, like Namaste all, welcome to SDM Ayurveda, an interactive online series. Myself, Dr. Nagaraj Kamath, host of today's session. So after this particular sentence, the host will be giving an introduction to the topic which is being discussed for around 3 to 4 lines, and will tell that to discuss on this particular topic, we have an eminent speaker with us. Okay, assistant professor in the department of and at SDM College of Ayurveda and Hospital Hassan. So that should be very much specific. The department name as well as the college name, it should be perfect. It is told by the principal sir that it should be standard. So this is the standard protocol, introduction protocol. After once the host has introduced, then the speaker will be telling thank you. So they should have gesture, they should see each other and say, they will be telling welcome, and the host will be telling welcome, and the guest will be telling thank you. And then we'll go for the single shot of the guest speaker, and you have to prepare for around 4 to 5 minutes for the same, where you will be seeing only the camera and you will be talking for around 5 minutes. Okay, so after this, then we will go for the interaction. So in the interaction also, what you can plan is the host has to give his inputs. For example, first question is being asked and the guest has answered it, and then before going to the second question, host can tell some points, his own points or her own points on that particular answer which is given, and go for the second question. So like this you can continue with the interaction. Once the interaction, whatever the questions is being scripted, that is being done, then you have to go for the conclusive remarks. So at the end, the host will be asking for the concluded remarks from the guest speaker. So guest speaker will tell the concluded remarks, and finally the guest will be telling thank you for the opportunity to the organizers for this particular interaction. And then at last the host will be telling that thanks for the speaker, he will tell, and finally he or she will be telling about 2 to 3 lines in short about summary. So it will be in the form of to sum up today's discussion like that, and we'll be having 2 to 3 points on the topic that is being discussed, and finally thank you all with the namaste gesture. So this is what the protocol we are being following. So please do keep this in mind, and we need your kind support for the same. So in this total work, whatever we are doing till now, along with me, Sharad initially has helped us a lot. Since he is having exams, he is involved with the studies nowadays. So later, especially Mr. Vasant Kumar of second year and Mr. Nagarjun of first year, they are extensively working on the video shoot, editing, audio recording, everything in this. And we have also the support of Dr. Manoj internee and Dr. Ravi Sharma the internee, who have helped us in audio recording, etc. They have since they are allotted with some internship related works here and there, so they will be visiting us now and then, and they will be helping us a lot. So in this total session whatsoever, we need support from you people more. So please plan the script and feel free to visit our studio and ask your doubts, whatever the queries you have priorly you ask, and we are also approaching you people at least 1 week prior and intimating you the dates. So need your kind support for the success of this particular SDM Ayurveda and interactive series. The total series is under the guidance of Dr. P.N. Rao sir, and also the support of the principal of Bangalore as well as Udupi. Thank you all.